David Ricardo, a British economist, firm believer of free trade, known for his work in Principles of Political Economy and Taxation. In it, he introduced the Law of Comparative Advantage. He states that two countries can gain trade even though one of them is more efficient in producing everything. To properly illustrate this theory of comparative advantage, imagine we live in a world with only two countries, Germany and Japan. Both countries specializing in manufacturing cars and sailboats. Over a certain period, Germany produces 30 cars and 10 sailboats. Japan produces 2 cars and 8 sailboats. As you can see, Germany is more efficient in producing both products. We can say that Germany has the absolute advantage over Japan. Absolute advantage simply means higher efficiency in producing something. Although Germany has the absolute advantage, it can further maximize gains by entering into trade with Japan. The theory of comparative advantage focuses more on what is being given up to produce a product. This is also known as opportunity cost, the cost of having to give up something to attain another goal. Let's analyze what each country had to give up to produce one sailboat. With Germany, to find the cost per sailboat, we need to divide the number by 10. So for every sailboat, Germany has to give up 3 cars. In Japan, to find the cost per unit, we need to divide the number of sailboats by 8 and the number of cars by 8. So for every sailboat, Japan only need to give up 1/4 of a car. The opportunity cost in producing a sailboat is lower in Japan. Therefore, we can state that Japan has the comparative advantage in sailboat production. Now let's analyze the opportunity cost in producing cars. Starting with Germany, to find the cost to produce one car, we need to divide by 30. So the opportunity cost for Germany to build one car is 1/3 of a sailboat. In Japan, to get the cost per unit, we need to divide both cars and sailboat by 2. The opportunity cost for Japan to produce a car is 4 sailboats. In terms of cars, Germany has the comparative advantage over Japan, since Germany is only giving up 1/3 and Japan would have to give up 4 sailboats. To maximize their gains, it is in the best interest of each country to trade for a product that yields high opportunity costs. Let's say Germany and Japan entered into a trade agreement for a price of 1 car, 1 sailboat. This agreement is beneficial for both countries, since it used to cost Germany 3 cars to produce 1 sailboat. Now, they can trade 1 car in exchange for a sailboat. The same goes with Japan, where they were giving up 4 sailboats to produce a car. Now they can simply trade a sailboat to gain a car. The key in the law of comparative advantage is recognizing opportunity costs and finding comparative advantage in producing something.